Okay. I did it. So this is the new semi-lightweight tarp. And I got this because it has all the attachment points on the top for the cheapos. And the hummingbird ultralight hammock. These really nifty whoopee sling things. And the Climate Static Z sleep pad. A Chinese knockoff pillow that works as good as Cedar Summit. And there's Hoppy, like he's fast asleep. Oh my god. Snoozing. This is a little, let's see, flex tail gear light. And a little baby clean canteen. In case I get, oh, I got my music over here, but you'll never find that thing. And in the workshop, the Wookiee is busy with his open L number what? Thank you.
There's something else you can do with a 90-degree spline.
The mountain house handle.
Use it to smooth it out a little bit.
I'll dig right into those.
Should.
I'll have to put it on the altar. Very cute. that a Maxpedition?
Yeah.
Fat Boy, Beefy, Obese?
Yeah, it's one of them. I forget which one it
Oh,
is.
hell no.
The Chubby? I don't know.
Chubby.
But that's my carving and tool maintenance kit.
Give us a tour. You can even brush your teeth.
Yeah, I got my huge needle in here. That's there. My hook knife. Rod sharpening. Regular. This is the Falcon DC4. Falcon diamond and ceramic thing.
Knife sharpener.
Knife, hatchet, it works on all of them. So this is a combination kit. Toothbrush so I can clean up my saw.
Yeah, I've seen you use that quite a few times. Ow! Mosquito.
File for my saw.
Is that the one I got you? I think that was the only one available for the fat. What was that? Silky.
Yeah, Katana Boy.
Katana Boy, yeah.
Yeah, the Katana 150. My 4-in-1.
What's that mean?
There's 4 different cuts.
Oh.
So it's got 2 different rasp cuts and 2 different file cuts on it. It's just another woodworking.
Can't believe you fit all that stuff in that little pack. What is that, iodine?
That? No.
Yeah.
New skin.
Oh, good idea, huh? Gauze pads.
It's, you know, I'm more likely to cut myself using just about anything related to this kit.
That's funny. I would have never thought of that. And you got WD on the outside, and you're hooked. What is this? Is that? That's a Mora, right?
Yeah, that's the Mora hook knife. No, 136. Something like that.
Spoon, bowl carving?
Yeah, spoon carving.
Now you get some serious tools.
Yeah, just a couple spade blades.
You got a power drill in there?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, I have that. I thought that was just to drill a little hole in the spoon.
Tin vise, yeah. Blade extender will fit on either one of these, give it a little bit more range.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, ratchet handle.
That's really neat. I've never seen that before.
It's been in my kit for years now.
Chapman Company?
Yeah. Chapman's supposed to have made some. They were supposed to make really good little ratchet handles. They were supposed to be a quality name. So I looked them up, tried them out, and like it so far.
That's really handy. That's the one that you just got at Home Depot, right? That you were looking for?
Yeah, the 1.5 inch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because, you know, everybody needs an 1.5 inch. You can build a cabin.
Then much support for the hook knife and everything else, but yeah, new skin, pretty much boo-boo kit.
Wound seal. Triple antibiotic. Alright.
1500 grit wet dry sandpaper.
You made those, right?
My leather strap, yeah.
Because you made me one. Still not sure what to do with it.
More sandpaper. Just it cleans up the edges really good. For the spoon knife, you gotta go circular for the inside, so that's a strap for the inside.
Oh, that's cool. Oh my god. You made a whole set?
Yeah.
See, I just have you sharpen everything, so I got knife sharpeners galore, and I've never really used them.
High grip whetstones.
Oh, those are the ones that you put in the water.
Yeah.
I remember those.
And so is this one. This is a 3,600 grit, 1,000 grit, 3,000. No, 8,000 on that one. I'm sorry. That one's an 8,000 grit. Strapping compound.
It's like a Hermione bag. It just keeps going. Rope?
Yeah, a little bit of jute twine, just, you know.
Why not?
For whatever. If I happen to have to make a bird nest or something, I've got it. And then I get a whole bucket I don't even use.
Wow.
And then on the outside, yeah.
Oh, you know what you should put in there?
A little WD-40.
In case you need, you just gave it to me.
A WD-40, bug repellent, hand sanitizer.
Here. No, those notebooks. I got another one at home. Just in case you have to write down dimensions or something. I just jammed it in here in case for the same thing, but while we're thinking of it,
Then, you know,
throw this in there.
a couple pencils.
Right in the wane.
Yeah.
There, now you can write down your dimensions.
A couple pencils and, you know, main carving knife.
Did you just cut yourself?
No. But just a little Open L number 8.
I know you love those open L's.
They're an awesome knife, you know. Probably one of the best things French ever did. No, I don't know. Wine, I guess, is okay as long as I don't put antifreeze in it.
Alright. Time for lunch.
And then a little beacon light.
You know, they keep biting the back of my legs. That's cute. In case you want to call in aliens.
That's right.
Alright. I'm at 12 minutes. I don't know if this will load. Bing!